Hello guys, this is Godspower. So today I will show you how you can make money online for free. So today I'm going to show you how you can make up to $20 online for free. So all you just need to do is to watch this video from the beginning to the end, and what I want you to do for me again is to just click that like button or subscribe to my YouTube channel. That will help me to be recognized on Google, and that will help my video to get to other people who is willing to use this method to make free money online. So all I just want you to do for me now is to keep on watching, and I will show you step by step how you can make $20 online for free from your smartphone, from your computer, from your iPhone. So you just need to watch this video from the beginning to the end, and you will learn something at the end of the day. All I just ask again, subscribe and like this video, and leave your comment if you have any question. If you have any problem trying to use this application or this website, leave me a comment in the comment section below, and I will show you step by step how you can do that too, if this video could not help you through, and if you are finding problem on how you can make this free money, or looking for how you can increase your earning with this way on how you can make money online. So keep on watching and let us head over to this application. Hello guys, so you can see now that the website, which is Honeygain, just opened. So what are we going to do for you? You just need to go through the website, just see how the website look, which is Honeygain. As you can see, this is how the website looks. So it's very simple. You can increase this session depending on how much you want to be in. As you can see, with one device you'll be making $10 every month. With two devices you'll be making $16. With three devices you'll be making $22. If you increase this and so on and so on, you will see that it will increase. I know you'll be wondering, I'm telling you about this, but what is Honeygain? Honeygain is a simple app that you install on your smartphone, and you allow it to run on your smartphone. You get paid for just doing that, like I told you from the beginning. So all you do on this application is to install it on your smartphone, register. For registration, they will give you $5 for free. So you see, for you to just join Honeygain, they are going to give you $5 free. So I will show you proof that I've received money from this application, and I'll still show you proof how I'm going to cash out my earning that I have currently now on my app. So now you see, now you can sign up for free to get $5. So if I go back here now, if I want to download the application, I will just click on download, and automatically it will pop up this, ask me to download it. But because I already have this application on my smartphone, I will just leave that, and I will just head over to the smartphone, and I will now register. So to register is very simple. I will just explain it to you. I don't need to go into registration. Registration is very simple. So I know you'll be wondering, is this application available worldwide? Yes, this application is available worldwide. If it's not available, you need to keep on watching this video, because I will show you other ways that you can use to make money too online. So to sign up, enter your email password, and that is all you need to enter. They will send you a verification email address, and when they send you that email, you click on the verification and your account to be verified. So now we are going to head over my smartphone so that you will see how you can make money with this application. It's very simple, just to allow you to run on your smartphone. So let us head over to my phone menu, and I will show you the application. So as you can see, this is the application, which is Honeygain. This is the application. Oh, I know you'll be wondering, why is this application is not available on Google Play Store? It's the way they set it. So this application is not available on Google Play Store. So you can go and search for Honeygain. You'll find a lot of fake app that says that want to try to represent Honeygain, but really they are not Honeygain. So you make sure you follow the link in the description. Click on that first link that will take you to Honeygain, so that you will download it. So click on open. So once you click on open, you have to register with your email account, and you have to enter your password, and that is all. They will send you a verification email, and your account will be set. So how can you set up your account? So if you click on first thing, once your account open, click on settings. So once you click on settings here, you are going to come to this section and set how much you want to be consuming monthly. If you want to consuming 1 giga, 50 giga, 200 giga, so you can decide that, enter it here, and click on OK. If you want to if you want to increase the GB you want to be consuming every month. So this is, I'm consuming 40 GB every month, which is I'm making at least a few couple of dollars. So yeah, I will click on OK if I've through entering the amount I want to be, the amount of GB I want to be consuming every day, which is the data you want to be consuming every day, every month, sorry. So you can leave all those things. So just make sure your settings, everything you see here are checked. So make sure the use mobile data is checked, and make sure set mobile data limit is set is checked, and make sure you click on mobile data limit. You can click on that to select the limit, how much you want to be consuming every month, and allow usage on battery. So you can allow that, because this thing will still, it will not harm your battery, because some people might be afraid, but don't worry, because this application is free. So make sure it's checked. Just leave it checked, because it will only reduce some battery. It will draw down your battery a little bit. I just want to be honest about that. So it will draw down a little bit your battery. If your battery is to last 24 hours, it will not be 24 hours again. It can be like 20 hours or 23 hours. So there may be some reduction. So that is only what I want to tell you about this application. And if you go to the menu, let us go to the home. If you come to the menu here, you will now see that the Honeygain app. So as you can see, this is the Honeygain app, as you can see here. So yeah, you can see now, currently right now I have $20 on my account, $20.45 on my account currently, which is the money where I'm going to show you how I can cash it out just now. So as you can see here now, if you scroll down here, you will see the people that have referred to this program. So yeah, this website have a referral program where you refer people to this program and get paid for completely free. So yeah, you refer people to this program and you get paid. So my referral link will be in the description below. You can use it to sign up. So it's very, very simple. So click on the referral section here, and this is your referral code. This will be your referral code at the top. Just click on that and you will refer anyone you want to refer. So anyone you refer to this program, you are going to be earning 10% lifetime from their earnings. So you refer anyone and they will sign up, they will get $5 into their account, and you will get 10% of their earning anytime they make any money from Honeygain. So that is what I need to talk about. So as you can see, you can use multiple devices. You can use at least 3 devices on one account. So you can see I have 3 devices on one of my accounts. So yeah, that is the things I need to still talk about. So if this way of making money for free is helping you, or you are motivated by this, or you want to do this, please leave me a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's keep on going. I will show you one at the end of this video. I will show you one website that will allow you to make money for free. So we are going to move to the section where you have to cash out. So I'm going to cash out my earning on my account. So I will just click on request payout. So if I click on request payout here, so it's going to tell me if I want to withdraw my money with my paper account, or I want to withdraw it with Bitcoin. So I can decide where I want to send my money into, either into my paper account or into my Bitcoin account. So if it's my Bitcoin, I will just enter here and connect my Bitcoin address, and I enter my Bitcoin address, and they will send the money into my Bitcoin address. So you can decide where you want to send your money into. On my first video where I talk about Honeygain, you will see that I use paper to cash out. So on this video, I'm going to use Bitcoin to cash out. So I'm going to click on Bitcoin. So if I click on Bitcoin now, I click on continue. So here is going to tell me to enter, you say enter your wallet key. So I'm going to enter my Bitcoin wallet key here. So just wait a second, I will copy it, I will come and paste it here. So as you can see here, they are telling me that this money is going to arrive within 5 business days. So which is what I don't want. So I'm going to go back and use paper, because paper, it will be more better. So I don't want to wait for long. So I will just click on go back and click on paper. They are going to say the same thing, but paper will arrive on time. As you can see, it usually take up to 48 hours to process payout request. Please be patient. So that is it. So paper is more better. So I will recommend you to use paper. Just let me try Bitcoin. You see that Bitcoin will take 5 days before the money will arrive. But if you go back again and click on Bitcoin and click on go back, and you can see say moment of us making the payment will be processed in 5 business days. We will process the payment in according with the exchange rate provided here. So yeah, so I don't need that because I don't want to wait for 5 days. I will just go back and click on paper and click on continue. If I click on request payout now, so it will ask me to enter my code. So I'm going to enter my code. So I'm just going to pause this video to enter the code is sent to me. So I will just enter the code here in just a second. So this is the code Honeygain sent to me. This is the code Honeygain sent to me. I will copy the code and I will go back to my Honeygain app here and paste the code here and click on submit code. So as you can see, it say you just you say your $20.45 is on it way. So our payment partner T-Party is now handling your sweet money in 48 hours. You will receive further instruction to your email. So that is it. So if I click on OK, so now our Honeygain balance is now 0 because we just made our cash out. So that is everything I need to talk about. So I will show you the payment that I received, my last payment. Now I'm going to show you my last payment. So if I click here now, I click on transaction history, and you will see my last payment, the payment I requested today. As you can see, this is the last one I did. The first one I did was $20.10, while this last one, which is December 20, which is today, I received this amount. You can see that I requested. So the payment will arrive soon on my PayPal account, which you can see here, which is $20.45. So that is it. So let us move now to the next website that you can use to make money online. You see the proof now that I have received money from this website or application that is called Honeygain. So that is everything you need to know. So let us move now to the next website. You can see this is paused because I'm making this video. That is why I pause the application, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, let us move to the next app. Let me show you the last website that you can use to make money for free too. So as you can see, guys, this is the second application website that you can use to make money online for free. So on this website, every day they send you surveys to do. So the surveys they send you to do is very simple. They send you survey of $1, $2, $3, up to $5 survey every day, and you do the surveys. Take the survey of 5 to 10 minutes survey, and you make money. So all you just need to do is to sign up. To sign up is very simple. They need your email and your password. That is only what they want from you, and you are good to go. So the link to sign up on this website, which is Paidviewpoint.com, it will be in the description below. So the Paidviewpoint link will be in the description below. Click on it and start using Paidviewpoint. It's very simple. So let me show you the referral program. If you go down here, you click on this referral program, you will see that if you refer people to this program, you are going to be making $25 from anyone you refer to this program. So yeah, all you do, refer people to this program, take surveys, and you make money. So let me take this quick survey you can see on the screen here. So let me just quickly take this survey. You will see that I will make some cents for just taking this survey. It's not a lot of money, but it's just a couple of dollars that you can make for just doing a very simple things online here. You can make up to $20 to $10 online for free at your free time. So just watch me doing it. So I will just click on this survey that they have. First, just need to go back and go to dashboard. I just need to go back to dashboard and click on survey. So once I click on survey, to pop up this that you can see on the screen here. So as you can see now here, I will just quickly take the survey. So as you can see now, I will just quickly take the survey here. I will just click here and answer the question. Say, what is your employment status? You can click on full-time, part-time, click on full-time, and here it will ask you again, what is the following service have you used? So you can click on anyone you use, ride the hailing service or like they are saying here. Click on anyone you know, just answer the question honestly and click on that and click on next and choose one of the things here. Say, have you copy with the blah 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 blah, you can see there, and click on that and click on continue. So just do that, fill out the form until the end, and once you are done, so I will just quickly fill the form. Just wait in a second, I will fill the form. So once I fill the form, you will see now that I will win some cash for just doing that. So let us see how much we are going to get for just doing this survey on Paidviewpoint.com. So as you can see on the screen here, we just earn 3 cents for just taking this short survey. It's a survey of 5 seconds to 10 seconds survey we just take now, and we just get 5 cents for just doing that. So every day they are going to be sending you multiple surveys. More you do survey, more they are sending you. So I will leave the link to sign up on Paidviewpoint.com. The link will be in the description below. So I will say thank you very much if you watch this video to the end, and I will say thank you very much for spending your time to watch this video. So yeah,